Here is how to make a bootable flash drive so you can install Windows or Linux. First, go to this website and download this tool called Rufus. Scroll down and download the right version. For the most part, it will be the standard 64-bit for Windows. Now make sure you have a USB flash drive that has at least 8 GB of storage, and make sure it doesn't have anything on it because it will be erased. Then plug the USB drive into your PC and open Rufus. Make sure your flash drive is selected. For boot section, select disk or ISO image. Then select the ISO image that you have. Choose GBT and UEFI. Leave everything as is and hit start. In the newer versions of Rufus, they've added multiple options to do when burning Windows on a USB drive. One of them is removing Windows 11 requirements like at least 4 GB of RAM and TPM 2.0. Check it, and also check remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. This will make it bypass adding an online account when setting up Windows 11. If you are reinstalling Windows on the same PC that you are using, then check this as well, and it will create a username based on your current local account. Also, check this one to set all your regional options from your current local account. This one is essential. Check it to not make Windows send your data to Microsoft. It will skip all the privacy questions. If you're happy with your options, click OK. It will tell you that it will erase everything on your flash drive. Just click OK and it will start burning the ISO file into the flash drive. Then you can boot from the flash drive and reinstall Windows as you wish. If you want to know your PC specs, then watch this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.